Hey Artland, how's it going today? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw one of the most famous flying dinosaurs, and that is the pterodactyl. Now, there's lots of different ways you can draw a pterodactyl. They look really cool, so I'm just going to kind of show you guys a real simple, easy way, and then you guys can kind of do your own thing to it. So let's get started. Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a pterodactyl. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a small circle shape. And then inside of it, I'm going to add a little dot for the pupil. Now, right here, I'm just going to add a little line that kind of curves underneath of it. And then you want to add a little line that just kind of goes up and down above it, just kind of form the eye ridge. Now, I'm going to draw another line that just kind of curves up and down. It's going to be a lot wider. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to curve it up. And then I'm just going to kind of bring it down for the back of the head. Now, right here, we want to make the beak. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to kind of bring it to a point, and then bring it back here and kind of curve around. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down. And then I'm just going to bring it up, kind of like a V shape. You can see how it's a little bit skinnier down here and a little bit wider up there. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of get really close, and then it's going to go out and then kind of form around here for the jaw of the pterodactyl. Now, inside of here, I'm going to add some little triangle shapes for some teeth. I'm going to do that on the top and the bottom. And then I'm also going to put some over here on this side. Then I'm going to make a little curved line right here for the tongue. Now, starting here, right by the back of the head, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve up for the back of the neck. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here for the bottom of the neck. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. And then I'm going to go up and then just kind of curve around like this. Then I'm just going to keep it real skinny, and I'm just going to bring this back to about here. You can see I'm getting a little bit wider as I come back. And then I'm going to leave this at a point, and I'm just going to kind of bring this in and curve down. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and it's going to curve like this. And then starting right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to curve up. And then I'm going to make another line right here that just kind of curves up to here, and then it's just going to go right to there for the leg. Now, we want to make the feet, so I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and it's going to curve up to here. I'm going to make another one that just kind of goes down and curves up. And then one more that just kind of curves back, and then it's going to come right to here. Now, same thing over here. I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves. Got to move the cat out of the way. Excuse me, Miami. Make another line that just kind of curves up. And then we'll make one more that just goes right to here. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves down and then bring it right up to here. And apparently we're getting Miami's approval on this drawing. Now, the next step we want to do is we want to make the wing. So the wing is going to start up here, and then it's going to curve all the way down towards the foot. So I'm going to start here, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this all the way down towards the foot. Sorry if you can't see this, apparently Miami has been missing making some videos. Now we want to make the other wing. So the other wing is going to be over here. So starting right here by the eye, we're just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to come all the way out to there. Then we're going to draw another line that comes down, make it a little bit wider as it comes back. Sorry for the tail, Miami here in the way. Then, to make the other wing, I'm going to just start here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve to the head. And then I'm going to jump over it and just kind of bring it down to here. Now, right up here, they're going to have these kind of little claw shapes. So I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up and down. And then I'm going to make another one right here. And we're just going to give them two. So on this one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a little line that curves down and up. And then one more right there. So now we have our basic drawing of a pterodactyl, and we just want to add some details to it. So one of the things we want to do is just kind of color in a little dot up here for the nose. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around and just kind of travel down the beak. I'm going to just kind of draw another little line right along the edge of the mouth. And then just a little broken line right along the back of the head. I'm going to add a couple little extra lines right there where the wing is connected. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of a curved line right up here just to show where there's a little bit more of the wing. I'm going to add just a couple little lines kind of coming down there. And then I'm just going to put a couple little kind of curved lines on here. And then just a couple right there by the neck. I'm going to add a long line right there by the beak. And then just another little line up here. You can add a couple little curved lines around the eye, just to give it a little bit more detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a pterodactyl. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Our pterodactyl is done. I kind of went with a few of like some red tones and everything just to kind of show some different colors on it. But there's so many different ways you guys can kind of color your own. Dinosaurs have so many different colors. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and until next time.